Hi, my name is Tiana Lucian. This is for STA2023 Final Statistics Project. Do you have student loan debt over $29,900? So according to Student Loan Heroes, 69% of college students from the class of 2019 took out student loan debts, which racks up to an average debt of $29,900. So why did we choose the project? My partner and I are both currently enrolled in college, and we both choose to continue in school and hopefully move on to a university in order to achieve our desired degrees. So, of course, we both know that college is not cheap and we might have to end up taking out loans. So, we're just both curious to know what is the average amount of student loan debt and if it is true that it is over $29,900 for most graduated or currently enrolled students. So, our research question is, do you have student loan debt over $29,900? Our data represents the college/graduated college students who currently have student loan debt, and our alpha is 0.05 because it is standard. So our sampling method is we inbox 50 students randomly from each of our other classes or former classes, and we even ask some students from UCF that are getting ready to graduate or, they're still attending UCF. So who's the population? The population is all college students, and our sample is the 50 randomly selected students. So in order to avoid bias, we randomly asked students from each of our different classes, and we took the results from each of the students, making sure they were different races, ethnicities, and ages. And the question we essentially asked them was, do you have student loan debt over $29,900? So from the data collected, 33 people said yes, and 17 people said no, with a total of 50 people that we sampled. And from our pie chart, as you can see here, 34% of the people that we asked said no, and 66% of the people that we asked said yes. So with our math here, as you can see, so with our hypothesis test, our HO is P equals 0.69. So the proportion of students who have student loan debt over $29,900 is 69%. And HA, P is greater than 0.69. The proportion of students who have student loan debt over $29,900 is greater than 69%. So this is our citation to kind of find the credibility behind that and kind of back it up. So for our conditions, condition 1 is random independent. The data was collected randomly. It is a large sample, so the population is all college students, 10 times 50, 500. And it's a big population, so you have 34.5 greater than or equal to 10, or 15.5 greater than or equal to 10, so well over 10. So all the conditions are essentially met. And for our calculations, P equals 0.69, P hat equals 0.66, our sample size is 50, our SE equals 0.065, our Z is negative 0.46, and our p-value is 0.68. So as you can see here from the calculator, this is our math, and this is the graph that is shaded. So our test statistic is Z equals negative 0.46, and our p-value is 0.68. So when you conclude the graph and you do an explanation, since the p-value is 0.68, and that is not less than 0.05, the conclusion is we do not reject HO. So for our conclusion is I do not reject HO. There is statistically significant evidence to reject HO since p-value is 0.68, the proportion of people who have student loan debt over $29,900 is not greater than 69%. So to complete a confidence interval, we have 0.66 plus or minus 1.645. It's in the 90% range confidence interval. You do the math and you get 0.55 and 0.77. So I am 90% confident the proportion of people who have student loan debt over $29,900 is between 55% and 77%. So to reflect, my partner and I, we learned so much from this project. We were able to understand how we do the calculations for a one proportion z-test with and without the calculator, and also find the calculation for the intervals. And we were also able to gain knowledge on the percentage of students that might actually have student loan debt and how that could potentially affect us when we choose to move on to get our degrees. Thank you.